Chicken wings are one of my favorite things to make. You can smoke them, grill them, fry them, and today I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite ways of making homemade buffalo chicken wings. The ingredients for this recipe are super easy. Of course, we've got our chicken wings, we've got some crushed red pepper, garlic powder, Worcestershire hot sauce, vinegar. We're gonna bring all this together to make our delicious buffalo style chicken wings. Let's start on our wings first. So these are just your standard, regular, good old chicken wings. These are 3-piece wings, so you've got your drum, you've got your flat, you got your wingtip. You can buy them like this, or you can buy them pre-cut. I got the full 3-piece, so let's separate these guys down. This is super easy. You don't have to cut through the bone. Just take your knife, and we're gonna cut in between the joints. So when you make a little cut, you can see there's the one bone and a second bone, and then just let your knife cut right through it. So you're gonna cut off the wingtips, and then we'll do the same thing with the drum and the flat. Again, you can see the bone, and we'll just cut right in between so you get your nice 2 pieces. So we'll separate our wings. Just take your time. You can see again nicely where the bones are. Let your knife do the work. We'll get these guys cut up and get them going. This is the perfect time for you guys to hit that subscribe button. If you're not already, hit that bell to get notified when I post my weekly recipe videos. Wings are cut up, so I'm gonna put them in my mixing bowl. We're gonna keep the seasoning here pretty simple. We'll start with a little bit of olive oil. This will help the wings crisp up nicely and will also act as a binder. And then we'll hit them with a heavy pinch of kosher salt and some black pepper. For those of you wondering, this is a Gravity pepper grinder. I picked these guys up on Amazon. You fill it with whole peppercorns, and when you flip it upside down, it turns on and grinds your peppers. Stir these guys up when they're seasoned, making sure they're well coated. Again, we're keeping the seasoning pretty simple because a lot of the flavor is going to come from the buffalo sauce at the end. Let's get the wings on the grill. I've got the Big Green Egg fired up, set up for indirect grilling. It's cruising at around 375 degrees. We'll put these guys on, spread them out. These will take about 45 minutes to an hour to cook at this temperature. Again, between the 375, 400 range. I'm gonna flip them halfway through to get that nice even cook and get that skin nice and crispy. While these are on, let's go prep the buffalo sauce and get that going. Our first ingredient is hot sauce. I'm using Frank's Red Hot. You can use any hot sauce that you'd like. This is gonna give the sauce the heat. Next up is a full stick of butter. This is gonna add that nice creaminess and richness to the sauce, followed by a splash of white vinegar just for some tanginess. Now we're just kind of eyeballing these to adjust to our liking. We'll do a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce for that nice flavor. Again, we're just kind of eyeballing these. It's about 1 stick of butter to 1 cup of hot sauce. Next up is a little garlic powder, because garlic powder goes great with chicken wings. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of crushed red chilies for some extra kick and texture. Sauce ingredients are put together. Let's get this on the stove and get this thing going. I've got this over medium heat. I'm gonna bring it up to a simmer, get that butter nice and melty, let everything combine, and this will make a perfect buffalo sauce for our wings. Fun fact about buffalo sauce, it's named after the town of Buffalo in New York, which is where it was invented. So yeah, there's that. All right, the wings have been on for about 25 minutes. Whew. Look at that. They are looking and smelling great. So we're gonna give these guys a flip so they cook nice and evenly. And then we'll toss them in the sauce at the very end. So here's why I like cooking wings at a higher temperature. You can see that skin getting nice and crispy, bubbly, that fat is rendering out. So that 375 to 400 range is a sweet spot, at least on the Big Green Egg, for making chicken wings. And our wings are done. Ooh, yeah. Check these things out. They are looking great, nice crispy skin. So let's pull these guys off. You can hear that crunch in the bowl, and then we'll get these guys tossed up in our sauce. And our sauce is ready too. Ooh, smelling great, nice, smooth. So let's pour this right over the wings. Oh yeah. Ooh, these will be delicious. Toss these guys around. Gotta do the old flip. Get some sauce on yourself. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. Let's get these guys plated up. Oh yeah. Extra sauce. Look at these beautiful buffalo chicken wings. We got one last thing. You need a little dipping sauce. You can go ranch, you can go blue cheese. I'm a ranch guy, so go a little ranch. And we can try these out. Okay, let's give these guys a try. They smell so good. A little dip in the ranch. Cheers. Oh yeah. Creamy, crispy, a little smoky for making them on the grill. Nice level of heat, garlicky. These are so good. Oh yeah. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make some wings at home. Do your homemade buffalo sauce. It's easy, delicious. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.